Hey YouTube, Wagwan, welcome back to the channel. So today we're gonna go ahead and replace the battery. Well, I'm gonna show you how to replace the battery. I'm gonna take this one out and charge it, but if you're replacing your battery, you're just gonna take it out and replace it. But this one I'm charging, so it's the same procedure, just that this one gonna be a little bit longer because I have to charge it first, and once we charge it, we're gonna be all right. So guys, I'm gonna start with a negative terminal, but if you want to jump your car, you can get this right here, a jumper, and connect positive to positive right here, negative to negative right there, and that's how you jump your car. So now move on. So this is a 2020 Corolla. So this Corolla is just a new car, so I don't think the battery is that bad. If it's bad, I might have to replace it, but I'm gonna try to charge it. So once we remove the negative terminal, we're gonna remove the positive terminal. You might have to use a flathead screwdriver to help you. Alright, we have a flathead screwdriver. We're going to open this a little bit. And since that's good, we're going to try to pry up underneath. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm trying to set the camera back where it was. This looks like it's gonna be 12 millimeter right here. So it turns out to be 12 millimeter, and that's what hold the battery. Now we can slide the battery out, and I'm gonna go charge it. So guys, you just put back your battery in just like that. No big deal. So this is the battery I got. I couldn't find no battery for it new, so I just gotta use one. So I just put this one. But I called AutoZone, they didn't have it. The battery it takes is a it's a H20R battery it takes. And this is not even an H20R. This is a group 26 battery, so it will work, guys. It fits so far, and I'm gonna go ahead and put this back on. Everything lining up good so far. I don't know if what's going on in the world. Everything's short, can't find parts for cars these days, but we gotta do what we gotta do. So we're gonna get a 10 millimeter just to tighten this back. Alright, so we lock that back in place. We're gonna get our negative cable, put that back on. 10 millimeter as well. So guys, this is not a permanent fix. It's just something so the customer can get around until the until we get the correct size battery for this car, which is 20, which is the 20 HR. So we're gonna tighten this down. Alright guys, so we tightened that down. What we're gonna do now is go in the car and start it up. Let me get the key first. Alright, so first we're gonna turn on the ignition just to let the computer relearn certain stuff. And once that's done, once the radio boot up, now we're gonna turn it off and start it up. And there you go. That's how you replace your battery in a Toyota Corolla 2020 and up. So please like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel. Help me help you. Peace out. See you next time.